You're tired of your white button up looking boring like this or like this is the video for you to watch. Hey guys, my name is Nelly Nyaga and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you've seen on the title, today I'm going to be styling two white button up t-shirts. This shorter one and this longer one. I'm going to be DIYing or layering everything up. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is obviously DIYing because I love DIYs. So what I'm going to be using is this white ribbon and some safety pins. From the back, this is how it looks like, and I'm going to start with the first design. After pulling it on the back, this is how it looks like. Let me tie it. I'm going to be giving you a little bit of difficulty for them to actually agree to snatch the back because they are safety pins. They are going to pop off. I'm going to style them with these baggy trousers. They are not baggy on my waist, but these are the only baggy trousers that I have. Match them with this cute boots. Yeah, this is how I'm going to accessorize them. I'll go for this blue bag and this cute chain. I can't do my earrings because one of my ears is not pierced. Actually rock this. Back looks like it's giving the umbrella type effect and it looks snatched. I can actually go on a date with wearing this, and the boots I'm going to show them here. Now for the next outfit, I'm going to be using this one. Actually, most of the fits are inspired by Pinterest, but some of them I've created them myself. I also have this skirt that I'm going to be layering up, and I have a pink tie. I couldn't find a black tie, but this is how we are going to layer up. I like the fit. For short things, I like to wear black shorts just for extra protection if it doesn't have a short. High boots. Because it's giving a schoolish vibe, I'm choosing this bag to act like a tote bag. For the next outfit, I'm still going to be using this skirt and still this short button up. I'm going to be accessorizing with this top. It's the same vibe but a more cooler vibe. Let me remove the little situation on the back. I've chosen to ditch out the tie because it doesn't fit in. I haven't sucked out, so the skirt I've made it a little bit shorter. That's why you should have this if you don't want to wear a tie, but I still have ties. I'll show you the fits that I will wear it tied. This is a cute girly, clean girly type of outfit. So this is how it looks like from the back. So I'm going to pair it with some Converse, not Converse shoes, but they give the same vibe. In school, because I'm still in school, I can also wear this when I'm going out for a date with my friends or when I'm going on a date. I can actually go with this on a date, but yeah, it depends on whatever you want, whatever style you want, but this style is cute. I have this small tank top that I cut. It was a long vest, but I cut into a small tank top, and I'm going to pair it with, wait a minute, they are not baggy jeans, they are just normal whitewashed jeans. I'm going to wear them with these New Balances, so let's make this fit happen. Guys, so this is the complication that I have when I'm putting on this jeans. They always never they never pass through my hip. Taking a short commercial break. Look for more stretchy jeans because this actually the temperature are so bad. Like, I can just stay like that in the house now. So freakingly hot, I cannot. To accessorize, I've taken my mom's beaded bag. Fits the aesthetics really nice. Yeah, so it looks like in the front, in the back. I'll actually wear this outfit when I'm going to school in an official setup, and also when you're going with this on a date, people actually think that you're serious because when people see white tees, they see seriousness. Matching them with some nice white sneakers, the New Balances, actually gives into the vibes and doesn't make you look like you're too casual, but you're still trying. So this is the guys, we are moving on to the bigger t-shirt, and I'm going to style the first outfit, and it still has the same DIY thing on the back. I put two pins, like to be like two, but it's like to give a corset effect. So let me put this on. I'm going to layer it up. I'm not going to layer this up, I'm just going to wear it like this. If it's too short, I'm going to be adding pins. So I'm going to wear it with this and these two stockings. I'm going to actually try this stocking because it has some certain design that's going to just add with the aesthetic. Then with the shoes, these are the shoes. They are Zara shoes. The funny thing is, this one is written fashion and this one is written Zara, but they are Zara shoes. Tights. Right now I can't even bend because if I bend, I create motion disaster. It is a little bit complicated, but it's the fit that you can actually go to a date with because it's kind of cute. Look at that design. Don't think you're seeing. But for the heels, I don't like heels because I don't know how to work with them. Imenifikisha cloud 9. For the accessories, I'm going to be putting it here. This is a pin that I'm using just to give it more class and more shazam. Back, I'll actually wear this with the date night outfit. So this is how it looks in the back. So we'll have the strand, we have the tights, we have the necklace, and you have style it. It's snatching your waist nicely, and you can actually go somewhere looking like this. I didn't like how it looked in the back. It was looking so bad. So if you can even it out, it can be such a very cute vibe. So for the next fit, I'm layering now. DIY is a little bit difficult for me right now. So I have this cute corset. You can use a corset. Any corset that you have can be black, any color of your choice. Me, I'm doing black because most of the outfits that I have are actually just black. You can actually do this with any corset and it will bring your vision to light. See how my vision has been brought to life? I thrifted this corset top. It's giving cute, it's giving classy. The more it's giving now, I'm starting to dress up for Valentine's. I'm going in with these boots again. I also thrifted these boots, 100 bob for these boots. Heels, I got them from Juja. I was in Juja yesterday. Yesterday was on a Friday. Thursday, I was in Juja on Thursday. Whew! Lordy Lord. So I have my boots on, I have the skin tights. The bag that I will go in, this is giving black, it's giving flares. Is there a bag that I haven't used? I don't have a lot of bags, so I'll do an outfit repeater. Blue bag, yeah, I'll carry this because it's the only thing that is giving back color. I'll definitely go like this to Valentine's. Like, invite me, I'm here, I have the fit. What else do you want? I'm a girl. Take me to Valentine's, eh? I'll take myself. So this fit, I'll actually obviously wear it to a date, wear it to a gal dinner, going outside, just looking cute. You know, I used to dress like this when I was in university. Ask my classmates. I guess some of them are watching this. My classmates, yeah. I use not the same vibe, but I still brought the same fire. I never wore boots though. Boots are like, I'm growing older, I need to start wearing boots. But this is the outfit and I actually love this one. This one is going on the Pinterest with that. Can you love me, wanna love me like that? Love me like, always murder most of the lyrics that I hear. With this fit, I can actually also layer it again if it's a cold night and my boyfriend takes me out and he doesn't have a jacket to give me. I can have a jacket for my own. I'm an independent woman. So I have this crop jacket that I can actually layer it up to just give it the zing. But what do you think of fit or movement? Yeah, from the back it's a fit, from the back it's a fit, from the front, yeah. So let's go to the next outfit. I had to get the short t-shirt back because I have this cute skirt that I don't choose. So I'll just put this on like a dress but not a skirt now. So this is the DIY part. Using a skirt for a dress. Yes, don't tell me this is not DIY because you tried to be on topic. I can use this one. Yes, giving cute short vibes. Okay, this one is actually feeling tea. Let me. It's Valentine's right now. Valentine's. I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna take myself to a date if I have money. If I don't have money, I'm gonna be sleeping, watching my favorite movies. I don't care. I do care. If it was snatched more, it could be giving cute, but it looks cute nevertheless. For the next outfit, I'm going to be going back with this big watchy. I know you've been seeing these and you've been wondering what's Nelly cooking. Nelly is cooking something cute. I'm going also to be layering it with brown knee-high boots and another brown cheetah bag. So let's dress up. So this one, the tie is choked to the brim to get this style in. Funny thing, I don't have kambaya hiki to work with what we have, so I don't need tights with this one because I'm wearing knee-high boots. Back with the tie. Now this tie we're closing it nicely. Who doesn't know how to tie a tie? Because I can actually show you. So make sure that this side is longer than this side so that you don't have a crooked looking tie, and that is too much. Yeah, my tie is also crooked but it still fits. So this is the only tie I could actually find. Oh, pink is going to look bad. It's going to look bad with this. I wish, if you're doing this, don't use this pink tie, okay? Don't use a pink tie because it's not going to be giving cute. It's going to be giving, oh, we are all over the place. Well, lest you know. Okay, this is how you tie. Have you seen how I do it? I haven't even sped it up. A quick tie. Then you tuck it in nicely behind. Now there's movies that I watch and they say, oh, I don't know how to make it. If a movie in 2026 is still using that, please, brother, go home. I talk too much and I'm given free will. Layering out your outfits, the color doesn't matter. If you've seen this and you're like, oh, that's a lot of colors, don't make you not try new things, because if you don't try new things, you will not know if it looks cute or looks bad on you. These are the needs high boots. I'm talking like that because I feel like this outfit is not coming in together, but I'm still going to try it out. These shoes are too high. The struggle that I'm going through for these outfits to actually come together. You should actually like, subscribe, share to your friend, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are. This is the bag. This is my mom's. This is too much color. TMC. Well, I feel like I can rock this out. Like in an event that I'm not with anybody, I'm just myself, and I feel like just being me alone. Are you seeing me? I'm going to feel like it's giving cookie, you know, empire cookie vibes. Yes. This is going to be the last outfit. I hope that you enjoyed watching me trying to piece everything together. It's a learning moment for me. Everybody who is watching up to this part, thank you so much for watching. Hope that you like, subscribe, comment down below on your favorite fit and something that I actually put together didn't match, or kama nikabaya, tell me kama nikabaya aki. I will actually take your points into consideration. Kwanza waka naona kama nikabaya. But anyway guys, so guys, see you on my next video.